Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Random Generator. In this video, I will be showing you how to turn your Node.js applications into executables. To do that, we first need to install an npm package named pkg. So let's do that right now. npm install, and we need to install that globally, by the way. pkg. Once that's done, we can directly use it in our project directory. But before I do that, I want to show you this project, which is the RSA implementation in Node.js. I created a separate video about it, which you can see on the top right corner. But anyway, to create executable files using pkg, we just type in pkg, then we can give our root path, which is dot. But in our case, I just want to create executable only on generator files. So I just type in generator.js, and after that we can give the targets parameter, which will be our platform. So if we will be creating an executable for Mac, we can give macOS. If we create executable for Linux, we just type in Linux. And since we are on Windows, we will be typing Node 10 Win and x64. So if I hit enter, as you can see, it created an executable. So let's run that executable, shall we? So to do that, we just generator.exe and let that run for a second. As you can see, public key created and private key created, and those are our keys. So that's basically it, but I just want to quickly mention another thing, which will be if you are using like front-end assets like images or maybe style files and etc. You need to do something manually inside the package.json file. So here you need to give this. So what is this? As you can see, we just create two globs inside our pkg. And those globs mention that, let's say if you have views directory and you want to include those files into your executable, you can do that. And if you have scripts as well, separate scripts, you can do that by using the scripts glob. And also another thing to mention, you can just pass in multiple arguments, like let's say if you have views, and let's say if you have a public directory, you can do that as well, like so. And so on and so forth. You get the idea. And I will provide some links in the description so you can find and check out much more detailed descriptions about it. So anyways, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If that is the case, please make sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing. See you next time. Take care.